Hi, my name is Joshua. In this video I will show you to how make animation, more specifically AE animations. Before starting, please excuse my English, I'm still learning and I will try so hard.
Oh boy, 3 a.m.
Let's go to After Effect. We export something. The effect that I have around, I did it with a green screen in Primiere Pro. We add a new solid object. Okay, I want to animate this object as if he had in his hand. Go up, down, up, down, to him, and let him go up to the end. Now it's a bit slowly, but it will look good later. We will use the page down and page up case allowed to device between frame by frame. We adjust. I want it to repair right here. Or spawn. Now we go to transform, position, and make a frame from. And every time we advance a few frames with the page down key, we will move our object. Move and page down, move and page down, move, page down, and move, page down, like that continually. This technique with more time can be very good. I try to do it as quickly as possible, but forgive me if it's something simple, but this is with more details can be better.
Oh boy, 3 a.m.
And we are ready at almost to the end. Okay, I want to see how it look. We adjust and let's see it. Wow, we animated our object in the boy's hand. It looks good. With more time, will be better. This is the basic process. This is the final video. With more time and therefore you can add your own details. And thanks for watching.